Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of veg pizza using ready-made base. It was requested to me by many of you. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and roughly chop them. One medium-sized onion. Add the tomatoes and onion in a saucepan or any other utensil. Now add 5 Kashmiri or Bedgi dried red chilies for color. If you do not want to use these, you can use red chili powder. 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Water. Approximately half cup. Now bring this to a boil, cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and this is done. If you want, you can remove the skin of the tomatoes, but I'm not going to remove them today. Now let this mixture cool down. So today I'm going to use the big green chili which we normally use for pakoras for topping. If you do not want to use this green chili, you can use capsicum as well. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon vinegar and add the slices of this chili to the vinegar. If you want, you can remove the seeds. I'm partially removing the seeds. Add some water and let the chili soak in this vinegar and water mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. The mixture has cooled down. I'm going to make a fine paste of it. So make sure you make paste of this mixture only when it has come down to room temperature. Now heat some oil in a pan around 2 tablespoons and add this mixture to it. Add a little water to the mixer grinder jar. Do not waste anything. Now give this a mix. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon oregano, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, some salt as per taste, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, this is optional. Now give this a good mix, cover and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes or till you see that the mixture has completely cooked. There should not be any raw taste of tomatoes and garlic and onion. So this looks done. After the sauce cools down, it will thicken a bit and this is the perfect spreading consistency. Now this is our homemade oven setup like I always use. This is regular cooking salt, regular khane wala namak. Place a stand or any plate, cover this and let this cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our pizza. So this is ready-made pizza base. I'm going to use a pizza tray, but if you do not have a pizza tray, you can use a steel plate. Aluminum plate would be better, but if there's no other option. Now prick the pizza base using a fork. Add some water. So this is the trick which will make sure that the ready-made pizza base doesn't become very crispy and hard after the pizza has been baked. Now spread some pizza sauce. This is processed cheese. I'm adding a whole cube of processed cheese, the small cubes which we get in the market. And this is approximately 40 grams of mozzarella cheese. Make sure both the cheese are soft and are not right out of the freezer. Now place some toppings of your choice. I'm adding onion and chilies. You can also add corn, paneer, whatever you wish to. Finally, a little more cheese. Now I'm going to bake this pizza in our homemade oven setup at medium flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. You can check the pizza in between. It should not be overdone. If you want to bake this in your electric oven, you can bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Make sure you keep a watch on the pizza. It should not be overdone. Otherwise the cheese would become hard and the base would also become very crispy and hard. So our pizza is done. Look at the melted cheese. It looks so delicious. Because of a water trick, the pizza is crispy from the sides but very soft at the center. Just perfect. Now sprinkle some chili flakes if you wish to. You can also sprinkle oregano. Look at this pizza looks so cheesy. Look at the melted cheese. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.